All right, YouTube, today we are working on a Addison unit that has a leak. I'm all gauged up on it to recover. The leak is right back there on a distribution tube. I don't know if you can see it or not. See if I can spray it for you. It's right back there on that tube down there. See it spraying out. And leak detector has it right there. So today we're gonna pull the gas out of the evaporator, all hooked up, and see if we can repair that leak. Okay, got the gas out. The rub out is right back here. That's what we're going to try to repair. So, there you go. I'm gonna try to get some on the back side. Okay, got it all closed up. Just painted the whole line in solder. We also got a leaking Schrader valve that we got to replace. So get this checked out and get it in a vacuum and charged back up and make it run. Okay, repair's all made. Got it in a vacuum. We're down to 615. And if you didn't see it, the repair is right back there on one of the distribution tubes that rubbed out. Got everything back together. So now we're just waiting on the vacuum and then we can charge it up. Okay, we got the leak repaired, got the unit charged up. Superheat's at 7 degrees. Unit's running right now in test mode. Working good. So that's a Addison unit repair on a leaking distribution tube. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.